is St. Petersburg in Pinellas County, Florida, famous throughout the world as the Sunshine City. Here, sunshine abounds throughout the year. It's fun to rest in the sunshine between shopping trips. Boating is a lot more fun in the sunshine, too. And of course, swimming in the sunshine brings out that nice Florida tan. Gathering shells along the beach is fun in the sun. And an outdoor picnic in the sunshine is a real treat. Yes, the sun in the heavens makes a lot of fun possible. But there's another kind of sunshine in St. Petersburg known as liquid sunshine, the delicious juice of citrus fruit picked fresh from the trees. For in addition to being a tourist paradise, Pinellas County, of which St. Petersburg is the metropolis, is also rich in the production of citrus. In fact, Pinellas County grows more citrus fruit per square mile than any other county in Florida. The growing, gathering, and processing of citrus is a major industry here. When the fruit has taken nourishment from the rich soil and the warm sun, it's gathered. Once a year, the harvest is reaped. Thousands of crates of citrus rich in vitamins and minerals are taken from the groves to one of the packing houses, such as this one, the Milne-O'Berry plant. Or the Indian Rocks plant. Here the fruit is washed, polished, and packed for shipment. Luscious oranges, grapefruit, tangerines, kumquats, citrus peel, and marmalade all go into this box. These boxes of citrus flow out of here to delight the palates of people throughout the world. In addition to growing, processing, packing, and shipping, the Indian Rocks plant also serves citrus in their beautiful Palm Garden restaurant. Here's a healthful toast of liquid sunshine to all America from the Sunshine City, St. Petersburg, Florida.